Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling mobile data and checking your plan limits so you don't hit surprises. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Hotspot and Tethering. Choose Wi-Fi hotspot or USB/Bluetooth tether, depending on the device you'll connect. Make sure to name the network and set a secure password so strangers can't join. Also enable battery saver or plug in your phone because tethering drains power fast, and confirm data usage warnings so you control costs. Next, connect the other device. On laptops or tablets, pick the Hotspot SSID and enter the password. For USB tethering, plug in the cable and enable USB tethering in Settings. Once connected, you can tweak the access point band, choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, so performance matches your needs. Make sure to limit the number of clients and use the client list or MAC filtering to block unwanted devices, and keep an eye on data and battery indicators. To finish, turn off the hotspot when you're done and set an automatic timeout so you don't waste battery or data. If a device can't connect, first toggle the hotspot off then on, restart the client device, or forget and rejoin the network to clear settings. If speeds are poor, switch the AP band, move devices closer, or check for carrier throttling and data caps. Finally, if USB tethering isn't working, try a different cable or enable developer USB debugging briefly to diagnose drivers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.